Hey gamers, how you all doing? Welcome back to App Guide. So today, if you want to change your password to your Garena account because you feel like it's not secure enough or there are other reasons to change them, follow the steps in the video. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and search Garena. Then tap on the first link to get to their website. Then on the bottom right hand corner there will be an option of accounts. Tap on that. Log into your account. Once you log into your account, you will get to their account center. Here on the left hand side you will see an option to change password. Tap on that. Now you'll get an OTP on your phone number. To do that, type on get OTP. Once you receive an OTP on your mobile number, type that OTP. Then tap on the verify button. Now you can change your password. Put in your current password. Create a new password for your account. Then confirm your password. Then tap on the change button. So that's it, you've changed your password to your Garena account. Hope this was a helpful video. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.